Do you like tea for two? Here's a sneak peek of some coasters for tea or coffee. I'm going to show you how I sign them today. So thank you so much to Linda and Jill, my lovely members and my wonderful subscribers. I appreciate you all. Today, Kim and I have our Talent Tuesday, and today I've got coaster art for you. So do you like tea or coffee with friends? If you like coasters and you want to see how I paint on these hexagonal ones today, I've got a little treat for you. I've got a really gorgeous palette and it's one of my favourite ones. It's blue green, green blue with a bit of a twist. So today I'm laying down my midnight blue layer for the base, and I'm just making sure that on my bamboo stick I've got just enough paint to cover a nice thin layer. And when I say a thin layer, it's probably just under a millimetre of liquid, and the proportions are 30% Liquitex pouring medium and 70% paint. And then I add a little bit of water to give it the fluidity that I like, and that really does differ for everybody, but I like mine nice and runny. Probably the consistency, I would say, of runny honey. So if you see the paint dripping off, I'm going a little bit faster, but you can begin to see the speed of which the paint goes across this tiny little canvas, this coaster canvas. You can see how fluid it is. Okay, so the palette I'm using today, you can see the layering there of green, blue, pink, gold, and then lime. They're all iridescent paints by Pepio, and then one of my favourites is this fluorescent yellow. It really does highlight like a gold. So really enjoying this today, and I've only got 2 coasters today, and this pair is for sale. They're all varnished and signed and ready to go, so if you're interested, please do let me know. So I'm just going to show you how beautifully shimmery these colours are, and then I'll leave you with some music, and I'll come back towards the end as I show you the wet and dried results and the signed versions.
Hey sister, don't worry about a thing that's weighing on your mind. The sun's going up, get ready for the shine. Everywhere that you turn, your future's looking bright. Hey sister, oh, hey brother, don't ever give up the dreams inside your head. Keep moving on up with every single breath, 'cause the world needs come. The best is yet to come. I know, I know, I know. I feel it in my bones. Yeah, the best. Oh, the best is yet to come. How are you feeling? How are you feeling now? When all the pieces seem like they can't be found. I'll be the friend that is standing there. I'll be the hand holding all your cares. I see you now, I'm not going anywhere. We'll find our way back home. We'll find our way back home. No, we'll never have to walk alone. We'll find our way back home. Oh, I'm
So here it is. Some people have been asking me how I sign my paintings and my coasters. I use this lovely tube paint. It's my favourite gold by Golden. It's iridescent fine gold. So when I'm looking at the coasters, I look for a suitable point to actually make the signature. I usually use, because it's gold, I tend to sign my paintings in a dark space so it highlights nicely. And then because these two are matching, I want them to have signatures on opposite sides. So I'm going to give it a bit of a demo here on my lovely Snooze egg box. I use this as a base for a lot of my paintings. It's like nice to reuse them. With fluid paint, you only tend to have one use out of them before the cardboard disintegrates. But it's great to reuse, and they're really nice surfaces to have small little canvases on, like these coasters. So you can see, I literally clean the nib before and afterwards, pop the pin back in, which is my husband's sewing pin, and there you go. So the cork backing's on, and at the end I literally put a dusting of varnish just to seal it all. So thank you so much for being here. I hope you've enjoyed these coasters and the process. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for tagging me when you feel inspired. I love to show you when I'm inspired by other artists too. Louise McKay is an amazing artist for doing coasters, so have a look at her YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here today, and let's go and see what my wonderful friend Kim has created today from Kim's Art Alchemy. I'll put Kim's link in the description comments below as usual, and don't forget, your art is a piece of you. I can't wait to see what you're doing. Everybody take care, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.
I see a glimpse of light.